finally it's here. The very first real hands-on of the Galaxy S26 Ultra has just arrived. And this isn't a concept, a render, or another rumor. This is the device in someone's hand, seen in the real world, and that makes all the difference. Up close, the Galaxy S26 Ultra feels extraordinary. No dramatic lighting, no heavy edits, just the premium finish, a bold and confident camera setup, and the unmistakable presence of a true Ultra flagship. After weeks of leaks and endless speculation, seeing it for real changes everything. The hype is no longer imaginary, it's tangible. If this is the final design, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is already stealing the spotlight, dominating the conversation, even before its official reveal. Let's dive in and watch the full video. Wait, this just got real. The closer we move toward the Galaxy S26 series launch, the crazier the leaks are getting. Renders, marketing slides, insider whispers. It feels like we already know everything. But let's be honest, polished renders are one thing. Real life photos, that is a completely different level. And now, something seriously interesting has surfaced. A fresh set of images circulating on X might have just revealed the Galaxy S26 Plus in the flesh. Not a concept, not a render. An actual device. According to posts from Kakuoli98, what appears to be a Galaxy S26 Plus unit is already out there, which is honestly shocking. Pre-orders have not even begun. Samsung has not officially announced the phone. We are still weeks away from launch. Yet somehow, this device is reportedly being sold on a platform. That alone raises eyebrows. One detail that immediately stands out is the engraved code on the back. That is something we often see on early or unreleased units. It adds a layer of authenticity, at least on the surface. So what do these images actually show? Truthfully, not a dramatic redesign. Compared to the Galaxy S25 Plus, the overall look feels familiar. The biggest visible change is the redesigned camera island. And even that is not a complete surprise because leaked renders had already hinted at it. But here is where things get even more interesting. During a closer discussion, Josh noticed something unusual. The wallpapers on this supposed Galaxy S26 Plus appear to be older ones. The same style seen on the Galaxy S25 lineup. That immediately sparked doubt. However, Daniel Scutari replied on X and suggested that early engineering samples often run older wallpapers. If this device is an early sample, that could easily explain it. So what is the truth? Right now, no one can say for certain. Until Galaxy Unpacked happens, nothing is officially confirmed. But considering the timing, the engraved markings, and how closely the device matches previous leaks, this could genuinely be our first real world look at the Galaxy S26 Plus. And if that is true, things are about to get very exciting.